I'm about to show you guys how I made over $60,000 testing this product. I'll show you guys the exact product I'm talking about, how I found it, my marketing strategy behind selling it, and everything else you need to know if you want to get started and do the same exact thing yourself. So make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more, because this is going to be a value-packed video. My name's Alex if you're new. Let's get right into it. So first, let's take a look at the analytics for the product that I'm talking about. Let's refresh this. Even though these aren't impressive numbers, this is just a little over $65,000 in 2 months of selling this product. So this is a general dropshipping store that I test new products on, and when they perform well, I'll build a branded one product or a niche store around those products that I can later sell. You guys can see I was running this product from February and March of 2023, so exactly 1 year ago. Altogether, from this product during this testing period, I made about $25,000, $30,000 profit, but you guys can see how inconsistent the sales were. So on February 12th, I made $1,600. But on February 24th, I only made $600. You guys can see on March 16th, I made $700. But on, March 25th, I made $1,700. So because the sales were so inconsistent on this product, it was an already saturated product that I'll reveal in just a moment, but I decided to cut my testing at the end of March and move on to the next winning product. I was selling this product for $35 with a welcome discount for all new visitors. You guys always want to do this so you can collect customer emails, build up an email list, and market to them later on. Now, I'm still running this general dropshipping store. Like I mentioned, I only use it to test products, and then I build various dropshipping stores around the winners that I want to scale. So this product didn't perform nearly as well as some of the products that I'm focused on right now. I have multiple dropshipping stores doing over $100,000 a month that I'll probably reveal on this channel later on. So now that that's out of the way, let's talk about the product, how I found it, and my marketing strategy for hitting those numbers. All right, guys, the winning product reveal. Are you ready? I know you guys have seen this product before. This is that light up bonsai tree that so many other dropshippers are selling, and it is so saturated by this point. I don't recommend selling this product by any means. Now, I found this product doing some product research on TikTok. I already knew it was saturated, but I saw a few different stores making bank from currently selling that product. I decided to give it another go and create a better store than the competition with better offers, creatives, and an overall marketing strategy. Now, if you guys go on my Nia, you guys can see there's actually a handful of brands still selling this product right here on Facebook ads, as well as TikTok ads if we look over here. But like I already mentioned, this product is way too saturated for you to even want to sell. So I ordered this product myself to shoot some of my own custom content to upload multiple videos on TikTok every day. I had some success on there. I had a few videos go viral and generate some sales, but most of this money came from my paid ad strategy. So let's talk about where I got my video creatives and how I set up my TikTok ads. Now, anytime I go to test a new winning product and I need high quality video ads fast, I always go to viral Ecom ads. All of their video ad packages are proven to convert. They have delivery time within 1 to 3 business days, and they offer unlimited revisions if you need any revisions done to your video ads. Now, I've been using these guys for years on my own dropshipping stores. They've actually made over 50,000 video ads for more than 20,000 clients, and the owners are actively involved in e-commerce themselves, generating over $30 million in sales on their own dropshipping stores using their own video ads. Here's some of their best-selling video ad packages down here. Their TikTok split testing package is actually the one I went with for the product we're talking about in this video. You guys can see you get 3 different ad variations for your one winning product because you never know which one's gonna perform the best. It's always good to split test your creatives when you're testing a new product. So once you find the ad package you're interested in, you guys can build your bundle down here. You guys can choose your quantity. You can actually save more by bundling up and purchasing more at a time. Then you guys can choose if you want TikTok text as well as a voiceover. I highly recommend both, especially the TikTok text, because 88% of videos are watched without sound. You guys will scroll down and select buy it now, and you guys can see how the process works down here. You place your order, you'll get a submission form where you fill out more information about your winning product. You'll receive your video within those 1 to 3 business days that we talked about, and then you can fill out any revisions that you would like to with the videos you receive. If we keep scrolling down, you guys can see some of their previous work right here.
Are you tired of the same old hair routine? Check out this incredible heatless curling headband. It's a game changer for your locks. Just wrap it around, leave it for a while, and voila. Gorgeous curls without any heat damage. Get yours now and slay those effortless curls all day long.
You guys can see they know exactly what goes into a winning ad creative. Now, like most dropshippers, you'll probably be testing a bunch of different products until you find your winner. Instead of paying $50 every time you buy this ad package, you can actually get it for $12.50 by joining their VIP program. Their VIP program is only $50 a month, and it gets you 75% off all video editing packages, 24-hour delivery, as well as revision time and priority support. So this is a great deal for any dropshippers who plan on testing a bunch of products this year. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to check them out. I've actually partnered with them to give you guys 15% off. Just use code Alexander15 at checkout. Now that you guys have your 3 ad creatives from Viral Ecom ads, it's time to test them out with the TikTok Ads Manager. Select Advanced right here once you guys click Create Campaign. You guys are going to select Website Conversions. You guys can name your campaign if you would like. We'll just call it Test 1. You guys can put whatever product you have on there as well as your budget if you want to. Click Continue. You guys can name your ad group up here at the top. We'll just call it Ad Group 1. You guys always want to select your TikTok pixel right here, as well as Optimization Event. For Optimization Event, make sure you're clicking Complete Purchase. Scroll down. You guys want to select placements right here. Get rid of Pangle as well as the Global App Bundle. You only want to advertise on TikTok. Scroll down to Targeting. You guys can choose which locations you want to target with your ads. You guys can select, United States, Canada, United Kingdom, any countries that you would like to. We'll just leave it as US for now. Leave gender alone unless your product applies to a specific gender. But for age right here, we want 18 and up. You guys don't want to target any 13 to 17 year olds that don't have any money to purchase your products. Scrolling down, leave all of this interest targeting alone. We're going to leave it up to the TikTok algorithm to show your ads to who it thinks will perform best. For budget right here, we're going to give it a $50 a day budget, and then leave all of this blank and select next right here. So for our first ad creative, I'm just going to call this ad 1. We're going to link up our TikTok account to our TikTok ads account, and we're going to use it to deliver Spark ads. So select this box right here. Link your brand's TikTok account right here to deliver the ads. Select single video, and then right here, you're going to choose the actual ad creative that you received from Viral Ecom ads, the first one. For text, you guys can put anything. It's just the text that displays on your video right here. So you guys can say, get it 50% off, sale ends tonight, or anything similar. For call to action, I recommend getting rid of everything except for shop now. Scrolling down under URL, type in your product page's URL right here. This is the landing page that all customers will land on to complete their purchase. Keep scrolling down, leave this box unchecked, or your ad creatives are going to show up for other dropshippers and they will copy your exact strategy. Once you guys have all of that set up, click submit. Now, I didn't link my TikTok account, so it's not going to let me submit this campaign, but when you guys do, simply duplicate your different ad creatives that you have right here and then add the other videos to them. Let it run for a few days with your ad creatives testing against each other to see which one performs best. You guys want to pay attention to your CPMs or cost per 1,000 impressions, as well as your click-through rate, but most importantly, conversions. So after a week, if 2 of your video creatives have conversions but 1 doesn't, you guys will want to kill that ad and scale the 2 that currently do. I know I went over this pretty quickly, but I do have more advanced TikTok ad strategies on this YouTube channel. I'll leave one link down below if you guys want to check it out. That's everything you need to know if you want to test a product and get these same results yourself. Even though that product was already saturated, I still made a decent amount selling it. But there's a reason I'm no longer focused on that product anymore. If you guys want to take a closer look at some of the stores I'm currently running right now and some of these 6- and 7-figure products that I'm selling, feel free to sign up for my free course down below and check out some of the paid programs I have as well. You guys can sell products even if they're saturated as long as you have a good offer, good creatives, and a great marketing strategy. Don't forget to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.